Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with npm registry using GitHub token. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To authenticate with the npm registry using a GitHub token, start by ensuring you have a GitHub account. Next, log in to your GitHub account. Once logged in, navigate to the top right corner and click on your profile picture. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the left sidebar, click on Developer Settings. Next, choose. You'll be prompted to give your token a name. Provide a descriptive name for the token. Set an expiration date that suits your security needs. Below the expiration options, you'll see a list of scopes. Make sure to check the box for the repo scope to access your repositories. Also, check the write packages and ready packages scopes for npm registry access. Once you've selected the necessary scopes, click the Generate Token button. Make sure to copy this token immediately, as you won't be able to see it again. Now, open your terminal or command prompt. In the terminal, type npm login registry equals https://npm.packagegithub.com. You will be prompted for your username. Use your GitHub username as the username. Next, for the password, paste the personal access token you just generated. Press Enter. For your email, enter the email associated with your GitHub account. After entering all the details, you should see a success message indicating that you're logged in. You can now use npm to install packages from the GitHub npm registry. To verify your authentication, try installing a package from your GitHub packages. If the installation succeeds, you have successfully authenticated. Now, you're ready to manage your npm packages with your GitHub token. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.